So hello guys. So right now I'm here in Mafia Island, and so this is Chole, and I just spent the night here at beautiful place called Chole Sana. Yeah, very nice place, and it's very new. So you'll be seeing the drone videos that I'll be sharing. So you're going to see them, and yep. So sooner or later I'm going to buy a gimbal. I'm going to buy also and what's this called? I'm going to get GoPro and the gimbal, so I'm not be going to be holding my phone like this every day. Yeah. So yeah. So let me show you my room very quick because I want to go back to tender. So um, Chole Sana, I'll be working with closely with Chole Sana, though I'm also working at other hotels, but Chole Sana will be working with it very closely because I've partnered with them, so I'm part of it also. So let me show you the room very quick. Let me turn around. It doesn't want. Okay. So this is the room. This is where I slept last night. Let me turn on the lights. So here, uh, okay. So they're using solar. So I think right now it's on charge. So the only light that's on is this one. So let me try to turn it on. Okay. I don't know why they. I think it's this one. Yeah, it went on. So these guys are using solar light. So this is the bed. This nice bed. And this is where you can put your things. Then this is the toilet. Very nice. So this is the hand shower. Just remove it. You can take a shower. So on my side, it is a bit difficult because the window is down. So when I take a shower, someone from outside can see my head. So this is where you put hang your towels, maybe you want to put something in the toilet. Here's the toilet. That's very nice. You can put maybe your shaver. So I like when leaving the hotel, put things properly. Yeah, so I'll be coming here frequently. So I'm one of them. So you can book through my website. I've already put the link down there, so you can visit the website and learn more about my website, the one I use to promote hotels. So let me show you very quick. So there is where I got breakfast this morning. Yeah, this is where I took breakfast in the morning. So just sitting here, and you can see the ocean view from far. So this is the surrounding. Let me show you. That's the house. It has 3 bedrooms right now, but we're going to not they, we are going to add more rooms. I always forget. We're going to add more rooms here, and also there's a very big area as you see on the drone. So it's very big compound. So my vision, because we are 3 people, so everyone has his vision. My vision is to build not like this, to build um those wooded houses, like tree houses. That's my vision. So my vision is to build something there, around. Let me show you, along the 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 what, the harbor. We have a small harbor here that the ships that come in dock from there. So let me take you there. So now, right now, the water is right now it's low tide, so the water has gone out. But in the morning, the our boat comes all the way. So here are the steps that takes you down to the harbor. So you don't want to go down there right now, but down there, yes, go. So it will show you from this side. So these stones later, if we are going to have money later, we're going to design them like tables. People are going to sit somewhere here, put a shed here. So my vision is to build those houses somewhere here. See? Somewhere here that you can see the harbor here. So we're going to build something later here, the harbor, so that our boat, not one boat, we have several boats, so they will be crossing here. So right now only one boat can come here. So it just passes there, so you can see also from the drone videos. Yeah. So this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. In those houses later on are going to be designed like family houses for renting. So if guests come with their families, you can use those houses. So right now people are just staying there. But later when we grow, so my vision, as I say, is build those houses here. So this land goes up to somewhere there, then it goes. It's a very big land. So that's my vision. So if I'm going to invest here, I'm going to build those houses. So everyone has his vision. The other guys, they want to